Hey guys, I'm here to show you another amazing campsite. Okay, so we're just show you here. We just got to the Emerson Lakes Campground. One of my favorite spots in Alberta to come. I was even debating putting out a video review for this one because it kind of feels a bit like a secret gem. But maybe that's the reason you came to this website, its YouTube page, is we will have some hidden gems. Yeah, we brought the family out this weekend. Baby Casey's real excited. So this one's about an hour or so, kind of northwest of Edson. Dirt roads. You got to take some real rough, gravelly dirt roads. Man, we must have been on those for 45 minutes probably. Got the trailer good and dusty, but it is worth it. So there's about 16 sites. 5 of them are right on top of the hill. But look at this view coming down into the main part of the campground. This is the view you see walking in here. Amazing. This campsite, no real amenities. It's got an outhouse and you got fire pits with free firewood, which is, you know, nowadays that's not always a given. But such a beautiful neck of the woods. Real quiet little campground. This is the site we chose. It's nice because it's kind of right at the beginning. You get a little bit of shade throughout the day, and you can, like, we got a little trailer, but you can have a bigger trailer in there if you need it. So that's our setup for the next 3 nights. This is our view from the camp for the next 3 nights. They got a cool little dock down there too. Stocked with fish too. We've been fishing in here. I've been out here probably the last, I want to say 5 or 6 years in a row. Caught a couple little fish. No real monsters, but we brought an inflatable kayak to try this weekend. There's your outhouses. All you need. Would recommend bringing your own toilet paper a few times. They're a little sparse. And then, yeah, they got a little fish cleaning station, pump, not for drinking water. There's your free firewood. This is the other site we booked for the weekend. My buddy Jeff is bringing his tent, so we're gonna set up here. This is where we'll have fire because this is your view. And then a few other sites just kind of around there, some shady ones, smaller ones. If you had a small trailer and you're looking for some privacy and in the middle of the woods with no amenities, this is the campground for you, my friends.